You're watching how to create custom stickers from any image on Samsung. This uses the built-in editor in the Gallery app on One UI. Open the Gallery app and select the photo you want to turn into a sticker. Tap the pencil edit icon at the bottom. In the editing toolbar at the bottom, look for and select the sticker tool, which may look like a square with a dashed outline or a smiley face. The AI will automatically detect and outline the main subject. You can manually adjust this outline. Use the brush tool to add areas the AI missed by painting over them. Use the eraser tool to remove any parts of the outline you don't want included. Once your subject is perfectly outlined, tap Done or the check mark. The editor will now extract the subject, removing the background. You can now add effects like a shadow or outline border using the available styling tools. Tap Save to add this new sticker to your sticker library. On newer Samsung phones, stickers are saved directly to the Samsung keyboard sticker panel. To use it, open any app like Messages, tap the text field. To bring up the keyboard, then tap the sticker icon, usually a smiley face in a square. Your custom sticker will be in the My Stickers section. You can also save the transparent end sticker to your Files app for use in other apps. This feature is powered by Galaxy AI and works best with clear images featuring a distinct subject. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.